Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to share media in Threads app. I will just tap on my Threads app on my iOS device and just tap on the plus icon which is located at the bottom center, and I will just choose photos and videos. And what gonna do, you want to share and you can just select up to 10 items at a time, and videos can be up to 5 minutes long if you just upload a video. So I will just selected this Threads logo icon, and what gonna do, I will just add captions. And if you want to just change the privacy settings, you will just change it, and you will just simply tap on this post your media, and just tap on it. Once everything is set, just tap to post button and share your content media. So this is, you can just share media in Threads app easily. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.